Hey there, future certified pros. Are you looking forward to starting your career in cloud computing and infrastructure management? Today, we'll guide you through the top 5 Nutanix certifications perfect for beginners. So, let's dive in and see how each one can set you on the path to success. Our first pick is the Nutanix Certified Associate, NCA. This certification is ideal for IT newcomers, focusing on the basics of Nutanix technology, data centers, and cloud environments. It's a great stepping stone for more advanced certifications. Next up, the Nutanix Certified Professional, NCP. It's designed for professionals looking to deepen their skills in managing and deploying Nutanix solutions. It's perfect for those with some IT experience who want to specialize in the hyper-converged infrastructure. For those interested in advanced skills, the Nutanix Certified Advanced Professional, NCAP, covers complex topics, such as performance tuning, automation, and troubleshooting. This certification is suitable for IT professionals who have completed the NCP certification. The Nutanix Certified Master, NCM, is perfect for IT experts specializing in advanced system design and management. While not necessarily for beginners, it's worth noting for those planning a long-term career with Nutanix technologies. Last, but not the least, the Nutanix Certified Professional, Multicloud Infrastructure, NCP-MCI. It focuses on multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments. It's an excellent choice for beginners interested in the growing field of cloud infrastructure. Alright, these were 5 of the most helpful certifications for aspirants that are aiming to get certified using Nutanix certification exams. Each certification equips you with crucial skills that are in high demand. As you know, Pass4 Future can help you to practice and prepare using our 100% accurate practice materials. Go on, visit pass4future.com to try our free demo questions and start preparing for the upcoming certification exam.